Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Celebrate Holi with a delicious and easy to make Masala Corn recipe. This spicy, tangy and flavorful snacks is perfect for Holi parties and festival gatherings. Made with sweet corn, Indian spices and a touch of lemon. This quick recipe is ready in just 5 minutes. Try this cheese-style masala corn and make a Holi celebration even more colorful and tasty. And what is your favorite Holi snacks? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making Holi special masala corn: sweet corn, salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, corn flour and oil. Take 2 numbers of sweet corn and cut it into round shape. Take a bowl and add salt as per your taste and add half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and add oil as per your need and mix it well to make ready of the masala for marinade. Move the round shaped sweet corn to the bowl and mix it well with the masala and marinate it and keep it aside. Take a kadai and add oil and heat it and move the marinade corn to the kadai and deep fry it for few minutes till it reaches the golden brown color at the both the side of the corn. Once it reaches it, you can off the stove. Move the masala corn to the serving plate. Now the Holi special masala corn is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.